Alright, I'm now here in the 1960s wing here at Disney's Pop Century Resort, Walt Disney World, in front of a big container of Play-Doh. And here we are coming up to building number 4. As you can tell, this building here is pretty colorful, mainly with yellow and orange. And here are the elevators. Got more Fujitec elevators with Otis Series M2 bump replacements. We have this car to ride first. Alright, let's go to 4. Fourth floor. Back down to 1 floor, post bump works. We're back at 1. Send this car away, we'll try to get the ER elevator. There's your MPE. And now we'll try to get the left car. And here's the left car. Go to 4. Indicator is kind of messed up. Here we're going 4. As you can tell, it's orange up here. And now we'll go back down to 1 and end the video. And get our cab view. These are pretty much the same as the other one and over at the 50s wing, except the only difference on these is that the color on the back is different. It is yellow because we're in a different decade. Your floor indicator, if you were at 1, certificate, air freshener, Series M2 bump replacements by Otis, fastest starting higher, this is elevator 1, and you got no phone. And there it goes, and that'll be it for this set.